I'm Jamie Griffiths, the General Manager here at Hereford Football Club. We formed in 2015 after Hereford United sadly got wound up. We've got a fan base of around 2,500 fans and 1,100 season ticket holders. We play in the National League North. We've got 4 full-time members of staff in the office. With a close-knit team, assisted by a lot of volunteers. We're very lucky on that front. The reason for everyone to be in football is to be the best they can be, so we've always got kind of ambitions to get promoted to the next level, but we realise that what happens on the pitch drives every other part of the business. That part of the off-field business needs to be ready. We're a sustainable football club. We don't have a big financial backer throwing money at us, so we have to make sure every penny counts, and we need to make sure that the technology that we have helps take the weight off the shoulder and that we can work effectively and efficiently.
When we got approached by Hereford, the main challenge we saw straight away was they were running off a single analogue phone line. This had sort of many problems that it could cause for them, and they also needed to basically ensure they were ready for the 2025 switch off, where they're switching off the traditional analogue phone networks.
The old phone system we had was just a one-line, old-fashioned phone system, which most of the week is okay. It caused a few problems, and then we got drawn against Portsmouth in the FA Cup, which was live on BBC, and everyone wanted a ticket. We wanted to sell commercial packages. We needed to deal with the BBC, and we had one phone line, so if someone was trying to ring us to buy a ticket, it meant that our commercial manager couldn't sell anything, we couldn't make any other arrangements. Our staff and volunteers then had to use mobile phones, and it just wasn't an ideal situation.
Upon talking to Jamie and the team, quickly became apparent that IPECS One and IPECS Cloud would be sort of the best solution for them. Not only could we install sort of traditional office-based phones for when the staff are in the office, but we could also then utilise IPECS One alongside that to give them added flexibility. So when a call comes in, they can either receive calls on the traditional desk phones in the office, or if a commercial manager or general manager, Jamie, are out the office, then they could easily direct calls for IPECS One as well. Another big advantage of IPECS was the fact of the IPECS management portal. So on a busy match day, they need to put up a message quickly about possibly a match being postponed or ticket sales. They can do that easily by accessing the portal.
One of the features we needed was a mobile application for it, because we've got a small office, but we've got a big ground, and we're not always in the office. You can be out at meetings or just somewhere else in the ground. So to have the app on our phone was really key, actually, because it means that we can be anywhere. Yeah, it's really key, actually. A lot of the staff have just got the mobile app because they're not in the office all the time, so it's really improved how we can contact people. We also wanted to be able to play a message when people phone in, because if a game's called off, for example, we can just update that message and it cuts out fans having to reach someone in the office at a busy time. I think the fans appreciate the fact that now they can just they can call in, they'll get a message if there's one there about a game, for example, or tickets, but they can also reach the person they need really easily, rather than having to be phoned back or speak to 2 or 3 people before they get to the right person.
Since we installed the phone system for Hereford Football Club, they've seen a huge amount of benefits. One of the key things we implemented was a marketing on hold service. So the football club can now promote ticket sales, they can promote season tickets, and they can also promote some of the offers and hospitality they're offering. It's always great when you can actually see straight away the benefits it's going to bring to a business, and it's really rewarding to see sort of a transformation of giving them quicker broadband, a more functional phone system, and sort of see the improvement it's made to their overall fan experience as well.